Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave Vision. So today's stocks video start with the NASDAQ. Yesterday we done the indices pairs. So today we will go with the stocks pair starting with the NASDAQ. So in NASDAQ we already discussed that market ready to go towards the bullish side, at least towards this 30,000. If this 25,000 give us the tested support, as at this point market cross this 25,000 and now market ready to go towards the bullish side. If this 25,000 give us the classic trading level pattern below, like arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B, C, then we will go towards the bearish side as this wave 2 as a deep correction like WXY or as a, B, and C. But now this 25,000 go towards the next point. If this point give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the next point. First we will go 26, 5, then 280 and then 30, step by step. So overall market going towards the bullish side and this last move is very strong. So now we are looking for the bullish side, and in all the stocks we covered in last week going towards the bullish side. So let's check this pattern in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, NASDAQ completed its wave 2 and now this brown wave 1 still is in play or completed at this point. We count this move like wave 1, 2, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's possible here. Market go towards the bullish side one more time to complete its green leg. But the main thing is that here, if this group 1 give us the pattern, now this pattern is in play, then we will go towards the next point after the correction. So we count this move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at this point, or market go towards the bullish side to complete its last move towards this 25,500. So now we need to wait for this medium point 500 at this point. If market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C, then we will go towards the 26, 5. 65 start of group 2. So now we need to wait for this pattern to complete, this brown wave 1 to complete, then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern like this bullish pattern. If market give us the arrival reaction first high above level, we need to wait for the correction after the first high, then we can enter with this wave B, or again we need to wait for this pattern in 15-minute time frame. So now that's possible here. Market completed its wave 1 at this point, or this wave 1 still is in play towards this last leg. But if market give us the pattern at this point, then we will go towards the next point. Or one more thing is that if we see that this pattern is in play, like that's possible here, this is wave 1, then market give us this wave A, wave B and wave C, then we will go with this point, or again market give us the pattern like A, B, C, then we will go with this wave B. So this pattern at this point below 25,500, not touch the 500. But if market give us this correction like A, B and C, then we can go with the impulsive move and its correction. But now that's possible here. this last leg still is in play. Then we shift our count with like we 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 4 and 5. So let's check the next pair, Apple. uh, Internet issue. Okay, in Apple, market going towards the bullish side as we discussed in our last video that market ready to go towards the bullish side after this 26.5. 65 belongs to start of group 1. If market give us the pattern or if this 65 act as a tested spot, then we will go towards the next point. So let's check the overall pattern. Overall market behaving like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as this black wave 5 of this green wave 3. So now we are looking for this last leg towards this 300. This strong number, large number. We are looking for this 300. Then we will go towards the bearish side and then we will look for the next setup. So let's check this whole structure in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we count this move like from this wave 4 to the last leg, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5. Or we count this move like wave 1, 2, 1, 2. That's also possible here. But as of now, let's check this wave 3 compared to the this wave 1. Okay, okay. This wave 3 is safe. Let's confirm from this point. Okay, so we count this move like wave 1 2 3 4 5 at this point, or we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, and wave 2. If this last leg go larger than this wave 3, then this move may invalidated because this wave 3 looks like the shorter from this wave 1. So then we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, and wave 2. So let's check this last leg at this point. This last leg market completed its correction and give us the classic trading level pattern. If you see at this point at 272, 272 belongs to group 2. Group 2, 265, 272, and 280. So at this point market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Or we can count like market give us the first high because this market cross this level, not stop at the level. Then we can count or then we can see like this first high. First high A, B, and C. Then again market give us the pattern in lower time frame and now market ready to go towards this 280. Market cross this 280 and this pattern you check in 15-minute time frame. If you see in 15-minute time frame, the pattern market touch this 280 then cross. Again market give us the this pattern. But if you see and apply here, market give us the arrival reaction and market cross this point. Now market may give us the first high or market go towards the next point. Sometime market not stop at the level, go towards the next point, the medium level between 80 to 90, 85. So now that's possible market go towards this 285 or 290. So let's check the pattern at this point. So market give us this classic trading level pattern. Now market ready to go towards this last leg, towards this 300, the strong number and the large number. Now we can count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Then market go towards the bearish side. So now market ready to go towards the last leg, brown wave 5 of this black wave 5. After that we will go towards the bearish side. If market give us the classic trading level pattern below, like in 290 or in 280, then we will go with the correction, or we need to wait for the correction to complete. So now market ready to go towards the bullish side. Our in last video we discussed this point as our entry point, or we need to wait for the again market give us in the pattern in lower time frame. But market give us the pattern in lower time frame above this point 272. So let's check next pair, Amazon, in daily time frame. In this pair we count differently. So in Amazon we count this move, this leg from this point to this point as a brown wave 1. So after this brown wave 1 we count this move in two ways, like wave A, wave B, and now that's possible here. Market go like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. That's also possible. But overall market and stocks going towards the bullish side. So now if you check the number, if group 1 give us the classic trading level pattern, then market go towards the next point, the medium number. This 230 give us the classic trading level pattern, and then market go towards this 250, cross this point, and now market going back towards the bearish side. So let's check this possibility at this point. So we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1. That's also possible. We count this whole structure as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and 2. Or we count this move like wave 3, wave 4, and now we count this move as a subwave of this black wave 5. We count differently, but main thing is that we need to wait for the pattern in strong number or in group 1, group 2 and medium point. So let's check this structure in the 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, market give us the correction, complete its correction. Now market ready to go towards this next number 300. With respect to group 2, group 2 belongs to, with respect to group 2, and group 2 belongs to 265. First we will go towards this 250. If this 250 give us the pattern like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards this 265, then 272 and then 280. Again market give us the classic trading level at this point, then we will go towards this 300, step by step. So now how we will enter in this point and in this setup. If market give us the classic trading level pattern, like market completed its move like wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. We need to wait for this arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the next point. But the number, the medium number at the 250. So we need to wait for this pattern at 250. If market give us this pattern around 230, then we will go towards this 250. If market give us this pattern at this point like arrival, a reaction, first high A, B, C, then we will go towards this 250. Market cross this 230. So if market give us this pattern act as a support pattern, classic trading level pattern above 230, because market not stop at this point. If market give us this pattern at 230, then we will go confidently towards this 250. Now we need to wait for this pattern, this 230 act as a support with this pattern. So this is the way to go towards the bullish side. Then overall we need to wait for the pattern in 250. Then we will go towards the 265, the start of group 2. So let's check the next pair, NVIDIA. In NVIDIA, we discussed last week that market may completed its pattern and its correction. Then now we are looking for this point to go towards the bullish side. So overall in NVIDIA, we are looking for the pattern like and the move like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and this last leg as a green wave 5. Or that's also possible here. This green wave 5 may completed. Now market go towards the bearish side. If this is the case, if market completed its move as a green wave 5, then we need to wait for the pattern below. As market doing, the market are behaving below this 200 strong number. If market give, we are looking for the bullish side because stocks are going up. But the main thing is that we will go bullish side if this 200 give us the pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards this 230 and then 250. Otherwise, that's possible here. Market go towards the bearish side. We don't know where will be the market go. So wait for this pattern above 200. So let's check the count. Inner count from this point to this point in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this move like wave 1, wave 2. We will adjust the count like if market give us this deep correction, then we count this move as a green wave 5. This is not the issue. We can adjust the count according to the situation. But the main thing is that market move from one point to another point, one number to another number. Market cross this point in group 1. Group 1 belongs to 210, 220, 230. At 210, market bounce back. So now if market give us the classic trading level pattern like wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5 at 200, arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards this next group 230 with respect to 210, 220. Our target may at the end of group 1 230. So now in NVIDIA we need to wait for this 5 move and the classic trading level pattern to join the entry. So in lower time frame or in 15-minute time frame, you can join this little move from 180 to 190 as a micro levels. Then you can see this pattern again. At this point 180 market give us the first high A, B, C. Now again market give us little impulsive move and its correction, then we will go towards this 190, but this is very risky. So let's check our next pair, Meta. in meta market ready to go towards the bullish side. So let's check the overall count. Overall, we count this move from this point to this point as a black wave 1. Market completed its brown wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a black wave 1 of this green wave 3. Now that's possible here. We count this structure as a wave A, wave B. Now we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. That's possible here market go towards the bearish side. But the main thing is that we are looking for the numbers. If this number market at this point 500 market touch and go towards the next point and market give us the first high after this 500. So now we are looking for the bullish side. If market give us the classic trading level pattern like this, here market arrived, react, give us the first low A, B and C. At this point, this point, the entry of the bearish side. So this gap, market go and fill this gap like market may give us this wave 1, then market go back as a wave 2, then market will go towards the bullish side. So as of now we are looking for the bullish side as a wave 1 and wave 2. We count this move A, B and C. So let's check this move from this point in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame we count this move A, B and C. So how we go towards the next move? The question is that if we want to join these inner moves like we 1, 2, 3, so we need to wait for the start of group 2, 250, 650. 650 belongs to group 2. If market give us the like arrival, market touch, arrival, a reaction, give us the first high in lower time frame, then we will go with this wave B towards the next point 720 and then 800 step by step. Again market give us the classic trading level pattern at 720, then we will go towards the 800. So now we are looking for this pattern. You can see this pattern at this point, at this point, at this point in lower time frame, in 15-minute time frame as a confirmation. So when we go with the pattern, classic trading level pattern in 4 hour time frame, in daily time frame, then market go far for the bearish side or the bullish side. For the entry point we can check in lower time frame. So at this point market give us the arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, C, then we will go towards the next point as a wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's check the Google in daily time frame. In Google market cross this 300. Now that's possible here market may completed its move and ready to go towards the bearish side, or that's possible market go towards this 350, the medium number between 300 to 400. Then market go back and test this 300. So let's check the count. We count this structure after this black wave 2 like wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. we count this move black wave 5 of this green wave 3. So at this point, we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 and 5 as a last leg, or this leg may completed at group 1 at 330. Not touch the 330 but at the point. So let's check the possibility and see this move completed or not. So at this point we are looking for the overall, we are looking for the corrective pattern or at least market bounce back towards this 300. Then we will go towards the next point. So now we are looking for this pattern to complete like wave 1, wave 2, or we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5 towards the 350. So we, if this pattern market go down below this 300, give us the arrival a reaction first low below level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the very side as a corrective move as a wave A or wave C. We can join this point, but we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. If this 300 give us the pattern, classic trading level pattern below 300, then we will go with the correction and wait. But now that's possible here. Market now that market go little down and then market give us the pattern like arrival, a reaction in lower time frame, then market go towards this 350. Market already arrived at 330 at the group 1. If market give us the high above this 330, if market after this correction, if market cross this point, then we need to wait for this correction, then we will go towards this 350, enter at this point at this wave B. So this is the way to go and join this Google setup in lower time frame. The internet issue. Okay, so in Microsoft Corporation, we count this structure in two ways, like this way 1, 2, wave 3. Now we can count this move as a wave 4, or we also count this whole structure like wave 1, brown wave 1. Then we can shift our count like wave 1, wave 2. We can count this gap as a wave 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we count this move as a, okay, we can 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 of this brown wave 1. We also count this move like this. Then in both cases market may completed its pattern like WXY if we count this brown wave 1 or as a green wave 3. In both cases market may completed its correction at this point. Market crossed this 500. So at this point, if market give us the pattern at this point 500, like pattern like arrival, reaction, first high A, B, C, then we will go towards the next point. So now we need to, at least we will go towards this 650, the start of group 1 with respect to the inner groups. Inner group will belong to 550, 565, 580, 600. But overall we will go towards this 650 if market give us the classic trading level pattern at this point. So let's check the structure in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we count this move like wave A, wave B, wave C. Now we are looking for this 500 to act as a classic trading level pattern, like here market may completed its lower wave 1, then market go as a arrival, a reaction, first high A, B, C. We count this move like wave 1, 2, 1, 2, or market may complete its wave 1 at this point. We need to wait for this classic trading level pattern at 500. Then we will go towards this 520 and 530 in lower time frame. Then we will go towards the 550, then 600. For the long term setup and for the swing trade, our next target around 650, the start of group 2 with respect to the lower groups. So let's check our next pair, Tesla. In Tesla market, cross this point, give us the directly not stop at this point. Sometime market not stop at the strong number. Because of situation and market pressure, market directly give us the high like this. Pattern number, okay, let's check the bullish setup. Pattern number 3. Sometime market not stop at the point, directly give us the high. Then again we need to wait for the correction and the next impulsive move. Then we can go and enter directly with this wave B, or we need to wait for this impulsive move and its correction to join the entry. So at this point, market not stop at this point, directly give us the first high. But we can go and check in the lower time frame as a wave 20, 30 or 450 as a classic trading level pattern. So at this point in Tesla market, go back and cross this 400 touch and go little back, go little below, and now market ready to go towards the bullish side. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. So let's check in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we count this move after this correction, after this green wave 2. We count this move differently, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2 at this point. Then now wave 3 is in play. We count differently, like wave 1, 2, 1, 2. If this is the case, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The inner count is same. We can change the degree. So overall, at this point, market completed its green wave 4. Now market ready to go towards the bullish side. So the group 1 belongs to 410, 420, 430. Market arrived at this point. If market give us the reaction, first high above level A, B, C, then we will go towards the 450 and then 480. And the overall main target which we are looking for this 500. Market goes step by step like so. Let's check the steps. Market may go like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5 towards this 500. After this 500, market may go back towards the wave 4 as a corrective pattern. So as of now, we are looking for the bullish side with classic trading level pattern. So let's check our last pair, Netflix. In Netflix, we count this whole structure like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4. Now This black wave 4 may complete it at this point, or market may go like the inner waves of this wave C. That's possible. Market go again down, touch this 100 and then go towards the bullish side. That's also possible. But we are looking for the next move after this black wave 4. So let's check in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, if this correction completed, how we know that this correction still is in play or this correction completed at this point? If market give us the classic trading level pattern at 10, 10 belongs to group 1, the start of group 1, 110. If market give us first, if we want to go towards the uh, long term setup, then we need to wait for overall 5 move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5, and then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high A, B, C. Then we will go towards this 130 and then the medium number 150. But in lower time frame, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in minor number like 1020. So at this point, if market give us the arrival, reaction, first high A, B, C, then we will go towards the next point 120, the medium number between group 2, medium point. So we need to wait for this pattern, then we will join this leg. Otherwise, that's possible here. Market go back like wave A, wave B, and wave C. That's also possible. But market not touch this 100. But now market may go back towards the bullish side. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the forex pair. So like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.